Curious what a $3.25 million home in San Jose looks like? Well, join me today on a tour of this beautiful custom estate in Almaden Valley Hills in the prestigious neighborhood of Graystone. Let's take a look at what's behind me. The first feature is the amazing views of this property. Wow. Are these $3 million views? What do you think? 180 degree throughout this entire backyard. Get a gorgeous view of Almaden Valley. Now let's go inside and take a look at what this beautiful home has to offer. Now take a look at this gorgeous kitchen. This home is a 3,400 square foot single story property. And look at this lovely island and the beautiful views. It's just gorgeous. Let me take you for a little stroll around this area. Note the quality here with Viking 5-burner gas stove, a huge island, and the sink with views. As you sit here and do dishes or entertain, you can enjoy all the beautiful views through these different rooms of the home. And it's nice and open to this living space here, which includes big picture windows of the views. Isn't it amazing how this home is laid out and facing a southwest direction? You don't get very much direct sunlight, but tons of light to come in and enjoy the views and the space. As you head down the hallway to the private master suite, again, don't miss these beautiful views out the window. And then, wow, right into this master suite with very high ceilings, beautiful crown, and look at this amazing sitting area. Definitely think one of my favorite spots is that you can sit here, enjoy a glass of wine, and look out the views. And you know what? If you're laying in bed, you get an amazing view of the stars and sky. Let me give you a peek. And this is the view from the bed. Can you believe it? Wake up every morning to this view. Wow. One of the special features of this home is this 480 square foot flex space, or ADU. Enjoy this special living space with private entrance to the backyard or through the side yard, as well as a door to the garage here. Come on, take a look with me. Let's look at the bedroom space and the bathroom as well. So walk into this additional space here. That would be a lovely bedroom right off of this living space. And in the corner, you see its very own heating and air conditioning unit. And again, this space enjoys beautiful views. So it could be a bedroom with living space for in-laws or an au pair. It could be your home office and studio. It's a really wonderful space just off the living area. And it even includes its own half bath at this point, but there is space to make it a full bath. There's also a closet. And then here is an additional space where you can add a shower or an additional storage or file cabinet area. So many great features in this bonus flex space that you could use to however you desire. Now step outside to this beautiful covered patio area or California room. You can access it right off of the ADU as well as off the living space, and enjoy this beautiful space. Under this table are connections to do an outdoor kitchen or seating area. You can also wire in a TV and make this your dream space. What you can't easily change is this view. This view is amazing, and you're not gonna find this view pretty much anywhere else. It is a 180 degree view of Almaden Valley with beautiful mountain peaks and lots of amazing space. So stay with me as we go through the coolest feature of the home to finish off the tour. And what, you might ask, is the coolest feature of the home? Well, look behind me. We're here in the front foyer area with gorgeous views. So your guests step through that front door and wow, they see this view. But can you imagine in the summer entertaining out here? Look at this amazing feature. All you do, quick and easy, this door. It opens up to welcome your guests straight through the front door, out to the beautiful pond of views. Okay, your guests come in this beautiful front door and wow, they see this view, and on that beautiful summer evening, you've got these doors open and they can step right on out to the beautiful view and patio, enjoy the lovely koi pond, and come right out to sit and enjoy these gorgeous views. So if you'd like to learn more about Almaden Valley, please watch the videos linked here on different Almaden Valley overviews, as well as the parks in the area. Thanks for joining.